Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Form Gaming here, coming at you with a different video. We got ourselves a flight stick, and yes, this is going to be the first time I'm talking.
Operation
We'll see how
Blackout
this
will be conducted
goes.
entirely by you.
Let's
I
get
cannot,
to
however,
it.
express enough how important this strike is. Commander, you have the floor.
The Ator Desert is it
We
was
got
a
ourselves
Federation project
the
in country that was
Thrustmaster
meant to boost and
Airbus,
maintain the communications
and it
infrastructure of
came as
Cascadia.
a
However,
officer
during the war,
pack
it has
edition.
served as a
I didn't
jamming
even
and
order
communication
this.
facility.
I ordered something
The
else,
very
and this
basis of
came
a
in,
unified
bro.
command structure is built on
Fuck it.
pillars of communication. If we take out this facility, it'll be like yanking the rug out right from beneath their feet. The facility is heavily
Let's see how
defended,
this goes,
boasting an
y'all.
airbase and a ground garrison on its own. The only way we're getting boots on the ground is via a mass airdrop, followed by relentless close air support from our fighter group until the entire place is overrun. It's as simple as that. Now normally, the Independence Force would be offering some assistance, but they
I
can't
know I
afford that now.
usually, I got
Under
my
any other
steering wheel
pretense,
set up.
This is a suicide
That's what I
mission.
was trying to be
Even with
doing,
the air
but
corridor Monarch cleared up,
I got
there's only
bored
enough fuel for a one-way trip. So the only way we're
and
coming back is if we take the adjoining
ended up buying
airbase
it,
after
bro.
we
I
hit
got
the
bored,
facility.
ended up buying it.
Expect
Started
heavy
playing,
air
and I was
and
like, you know
ground
what?
resistance.
Let me just try to make a video
tanks,
on
AA,
it.
Airships, the whole shebang. If we pull this off, well, let's just say we'll be handsomely rewarded. Gold or glory, gentlemen. Get to your planes. The Cascadians called this place the Devil's Sandbox. So what does that mean?
And
if
sorry
we're
for
ones
the
playing
late
it?
ass upload, bro. I haven't
Let's
uploaded in
go.
a fat minute, and y'all know the reason why, because my internet is trash. And that shouldn't be a problem, in the next couple of months, because I'm gonna be moving out of the fucking country where there's no damn fucking internet. And so we'll see. We'll probably have some way better quality videos once I'm out of here, bro. But for now, I'm just gonna fucking post these videos, bro, and just, fuck it. Let's see. What do I have more? More ground targets. Okay, sir.
Galaxy to all Sicario elements. We're go for Operation Blackout. Total destruction of the enemy communication facilities are our prime objective for this operation. Cover circus and
that's
destroy any
dope.
base defenses before they deliver the ground forces to the DZ. Over to you, boss.
This is the largest deployment in our history as a mercenary group. The Independence Force put a lot of faith in us for this operation. Let's not disappoint. So I guess that also means largest payout ever, right?
I wish I could say the same. Okay, all flights. Looks like the early defenses aren't the only issue now.
Yo, these
We have
fucking planes look
bogeys
so
inbound from the
nice.
north
Oh my
toward our
god.
transports. That means you, Hitman.
Let's see.
Intercept and
Unguided
engage.
bombs, multi.
Back off,
Let's see what
Galaxy.
this
We're
does.
going.
About time. Comic
Oh, it
engaging.
is multi-lock. Can I lock onto him over here
Ground
too?
forces crossing into our airspace.
I think it's probably just
Move in a
two.
non-uniform flight formation and transport aircraft.
Forces this far in? We have to allowed to destroy anything here. Deploy what we have.
Oh, wrong fucking gun, bro.
Missile is on the way.
Trying to do something. I was like, why am I going so slow? I think it's because I'm
Pencil units on patrol. Do not let them deploy ground forces. 1 minute. Outbound personnel, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hook up. Hook up.
Look up, look up.
Missile is on the way.
Oh!
Defeated you. I'm a perfectly good plane.
The enemy's getting radar locked.
This is Ronin Actual to Assassin Lead. We've infiltrated the main facility. Soften up the defenses before you attack it for exfiltration. Out. We have our SOS in the AO.
Let's go, baby.
Gotta make sure we have an exit strategy.
Missile away, missile away.
I hit him, but
Monarch, the enemy's locking onto you.
fucking wasn't enough. Oh my god.
Missile is on the way.
Boom. Let's get him.
Air assault operation is a go. All circus flight elements remain on station until the airfield is ours.
I got
Guns
other
will
games
6
too,
and
bro.
7.
I got
Cover the
fucking
circus until
Star Wars
reassigned.
Squadrons. I got Ace Combat 7, and I got some War Thunder, bro. I'll be making videos on probably all of them eventually.
Secure the battle
Oh.
space as our ground forces get set for the attack on the main facilities.
Logo Galaxy.
Come on, Monarch. We're free range now.
Get some bombs in here.
We lose anyone on the jump?
Hell of a job to kick the bucket on. It's gonna be the biggest payout for me.
Sheesh. What kind of contract do the ground forces get? Am I being underpaid?
You're paid more in a mission than some of our grunts do in a contract, you know.
Diplomat, you're as cheap as the booze comic buys.
Hey, how about you come and fly, you glorified radio jockey?
Oh my god, I dropped a bomb on accident.
Group and get rolling ASAP.
The enemy's dug in around the outlying facilities. Looks like a layer of defense. Hitman team, engage at will. Gunsel team, act in support. Assassin, you're providing direct cast for the
Let's
ground
get the hell
troops.
out of here.
Monarch, you've got a good lock.
Hey, Gunsel, Assassin, lend us a hand here?
Negative, Hitman 2. You can handle it.
An entire battlefield?
God damn, they're just falling through our defenses. Form our battle line.
Wrangle them into the AA layer.
Why in the hell is there so many tanks?
Enemy pushing below.
We've got both enemy air and ground troops coming down on us.
Let's see, boys. Oh, that was almost a dumb move.
This is what I signed up for. Come on, come on.
Monarch, good luck. Missile away.
Oh, shit, that was risky.
Missile is on the way.
Might just have to come back for a little sweep and then just fucking start shooting them. Just start lighting all the rockets off. Just like that. Boom, boom,
Missile is on the
Boom.
way.
boom, boom. Oh, I can do it one.
Ground target
Oh,
destroyed.
shit.
Monarch, you're locked on.
Make sure your aircraft is in optimal condition.
Monarch, bombs away.
Might come back for another bomb run. Let's take out some of these jets now. Oh wait, these are our guys? Oh yeah, these are our guys. Monarch, you're locked on. Let me get these guys right here real quick.
Positive tone. One within gun range. Monarch ready to fire.
Monarch ready to fire. Yeah, this game's fucking fun, bro.
Hitman 1 locked on. Target down.
Oh
Missile is on the
shit,
way.
bro.
Enemy on radar. Executed. Explosions this close? 1-2.
Oh, what we got over here? Got a mission update.
We're reading multiple defenses going down wholesale, but not all. And we've got incoming fighters and gunships. Watch it.
This is Captain Kelleher. Going to seize the command center now. Going dark.
One within gun range.
Good work, cowboy. Sicario, we have our ringtail. Commence attack.
Designating new targets and HVTs on the IFF. Have at it. Missile is on the way. Missile away, missile away. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Electromagnetic and geothermal readings going up all across the board. All Sicario assets in the area, be advised. We've got high-caliber railguns firing up. We'll put a slug through you real fast, so heads up.
A little more warning would have been nice.
Oh my! I almost hit that motherfucker. Bro. Oh my god, I was scared.
There's smoke in the cockpit.
Oh shoot!
Don't let them get them encryption codes. I've got a destroyer. Take it with you.
Watch for enemy radar spikes.
Update from the Independence Force HQ. All ground forces secure as much encryption and intelligence data as possible. But if we're unable, just torch and burn.
All forces, break it down and burn it. Cause as much damage as you can to this place, and we'll blow this whole
These
war
fucking
wide open.
railguns, bro.
Enemy penetrating cap line.
Oh, looky here. That jamming is just plummeting. Keep hitting him. All units, connect to my uplink and I'll call out targets with the fighter's IFF connection. Should make your job easier.
Damn it! All ground forces are being converged on the secondary facilities and trying to stop them there. First Defense Battalion, roll out to defense line yellow.
Stacked up. Missile away.
Hey, we've got tanks inbound. Set up the ATGMs. Commodore 6, Robertson. There might still be
strikes.
Where'd this freaking guy go? I'm trying to freaking dodge these. Ah! I'm trying to dodge these missiles, bro. I'm trying to dodge these missiles, bro.
Monarch, you're locked on. Losing hydraulics.
They're after me.
Monarch, get another one.
Ground asset destroyed.
What do you mean we lost our facilities? Deploy the reserves and dig in around his base.
Monarch, the enemy's locking onto you. Con 3-2, hold position and consolidate with 3-3 section. We're putting mortar rounds out to cover Alpha mission.
Monarch missile on the way.
Did that shit do no damage, bro?
You know he's gunning for the boss's spot once he buys the farm. Gotta get the practice commanding in.
Ground asset destroyed.
My engine's on fire.
Monarch ready to fire.
Incoming bogeys. I shot one down.
Monarch, good luck.
Oh my freak! I almost crashed. Golly.
Launch missile.
Monarch missile away. Missile is tracking. Monarch missile shot. Bingo. Fox 2. Stacked up. You're in gun range.
I can't take another hit like that.
Monarch, good luck.
Oh my.
Ground unit knocked out. Missile away. Monarch ready to fire.
Come on, mother freak. You little freaking puss.
Ground target destroyed.
Wait, which colors are? Oh, it's the freaking green ones.
Missile is on the way.
On the defensive.
Monarch ready to fire.
There you are.
Hitman 1, Fox 2. Missile is on the way.
Oh my. Bro, you don't understand the amount of times I almost crashed, dude. Oh.
We've got hostiles. Monarch opening fire. Contacts across the board. All Federation
Let's
hostiles
go.
considered no factor. Ground units, confirm?
Yeah, I think the smoke, Galaxy. This is well in actual. We've seized the tower and put out an all clear on the Federation comms. I think we're running through this.
Easy
We should be clear
peasy.
until the next update schedule in an hour. Good work today, people. All damaged aircraft land into repairs as needed.
Oh yeah, and also got rudder pedals, bro, so I don't gotta use this.
Ground forces, smash
could twist it, but
worth it. And await pickup
I
by
came up on some
seconds.
rudder pedals too, bro. It's crazy.
This is the circus coming in.
Let's go, baby. And that was it. Let's see what game I play next. I don't know what's gonna be.
All right, pick
I
up
don't
what
know
you
when
need
I'm
to get
gonna
out
drop
of here.
it.
We can celebrate when we're
but
back at
we'll
Rose
see.
Tower.
I'll catch y'all on the freaking next one. Deuces.